Bro.
You start on this shelf.
Here.
Guys, everyone on this shelf.
You stand in. What?
Everyone,
Where are we
gee
gonna
whiz.
go?
Just
on
take
the
everyone.
shelf.
Just take everyone. Everyone get top. Right, so everyone, stand there. Everyone in this shelf.
Okay,
Oh my god.
you it.
Right, anyway.
No.
So everyone stands in that shelf, right? And then, nowhere.
No, listen. Just let me stand.
No, get on that shelf.
I feel more comfortable.
Yeah,
See, what you
toothpaste.
It's normal.
Gee whiz.
Go here.
Right. So when he says, when I say monkey on the shelf, then you all have to run. But you can't touch the floor, but you can touch all these objects. But say if I get rid of this middle one, I only get rid of the middle one. You can still go on this one and on this one. And also, basically, you can touch the ramps. Because if you weren't allowed to touch the ramps, it'd be impossible. So let's just take everyone. We'll do a practice round. But
Where do we
I
have to
can't be
end
it because
then?
I need to demonstrate.
Where do we end then?
Blue, you need to get tagged. Stop.
She was toothpaste. Ah!
He's it. Right, okay. Don't take. So when you say monkey on the shelf, we all go. But you have to delete one thing before you say. No, delete something.
This.
The middle one.
I'm gonna go.
I might do the sketchy way in War one.
Alright, where do
Fine. You're allowed to touch the ramp. And touch the ramp. Right, this one's hard. You have to do this and then kind of like get you. So I'll let you go first.
No.
This. Yes, I did it. Oh.
Oh. Blue go. You fell.
That was rubbish.
I'm very good at this. I practice. Yeah.
I practice.
You're last. You're last.
What? Delete anything, that's it. It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah. This is kind of fun and hard. Alright.
Let's play again. Go on.
What's
Right, what
going
you
on
deleting?
This?
Right, so we can use the middle one because it's a new round. We can use the middle one. Oh, this is too easy, man.
Hey, purple got a plant. Oh my god, I was so close to falling. Yellow.
You're not taking me. No.
Okay, where do we end?
You have to end at the original. You have to end at the mirror. Then you come through here. You come through
Hey,
here.
get out. Get out.
And then you're allowed to touch these roofs. You just can't touch this floor. You're allowed to touch all these roofs.